Hi everyone. Now I am going to discuss about feedback amplifier. So before going to explain about what is mean by feedback amplifier, we have to know about what is mean by amplifier. So amplifier will amplify the given weak signal into an strongest signal. So amplifier is nothing but it will amplify the given weak signal into an strongest signal. And the signal is it's having some information. Signal is nothing but it's having some information that will be transmitted from one place to another place, and this signal is amplified by using an amplifier. This is about amplifier. So next, what is mean by feedback? The feedback circuit is a circuit in which the part of the output is again given as an input through the feedback network is nothing but a feedback circuit. The feedback circuit is nothing but the output, the part of the output is again given as an input through the feedback is nothing but a feedback network. So what is mean by feedback amplifiers? So feedback amplifier, in the feedback amplifiers, the amplifiers will be work on the principle of feedback is nothing but a feedback amplifier. Again I am saying this, in the feedback amplifiers, the amplifiers will be work on the principle of feedback is nothing but a feedback amplifiers. This is the circuit arrangement for feedback amplifiers. It contains an amplifier. Next, it contains an feedback network and amplifier and with gain. Here the gain is denoted as capital A and feedback circuit is denoted as beta. Next, VF means feedback voltage, that is equal to beta V naught. Here beta is a feedback circuit and V naught is an output voltage. And Vs is a voltage from the source and Vi is an input voltage and output is an output voltage. This is the circuit arrangement of feedback amplifier, and these are all about a feedback amplifier. Brief introduction about feedback amplifier. Next, coming to the type of feedback amplifiers. The feedback amplifiers are positive feedback amplifier and negative feedback amplifier. So one by one we know what is mean by positive feedback amplifier and what is mean by negative feedback amplifier. So here you see the positive feedback amplifier. In positive feedback amplifier, the input signal and the output signal which is through the feedback network, both are in phase. Again I am repeating this, the input signal, the given input signal and the output signal which is through the feedback network, both are in phase. Then this type of feedback is a positive feedback amplifier. So next, what is mean by negative feedback? In the negative feedback, the given input signal and the output signal which is through the feedback network, both are in out of phase. The input signal and the output signal which is through the feedback network, both are in out of phase. Then this type of a feedback amplifier is nothing but a negative feedback amplifier. So here you can see that in this positive feedback amplifier, the output is in phase with the input signal, and input signal and feedback signals get added in V in, that means input voltage. And positive feedback signal, we can say that regenerative feedback, and the output signal for the negative feedback we can say that degenerative amplifier. In this, output signal and input signal are in out of phase. So these are the types of feedback amplifier. They are positive and negative feedback amplifiers. Next, if we calculate the gain of the amplifier without feedback means AV, here AV is nothing but an voltage gain. The voltage gain for the without feedback amplifier is V0 divided by V in, that is output voltage by input voltage. If we consider the amplifier with the feedback means we are calculating here AV, that means voltage gain. Voltage gain is equal to V divided by V0. V0 divided by V in plus or minus beta V0. Here V0 is an output voltage, V in is an input voltage and beta is a feedback circuit. So for the positive feedback, AV is equal to V0 divided by V in plus beta V0. Why? Because here the input and the output both are in phase. That's why. Next, for the negative feedback, the voltage gain is V0 divided by V in minus beta V0. If we simplify these equations, then we will get an V0 divided by V in, that is equal to AV, that means voltage gain divided by 1 minus beta AV. For the positive feedback, voltage gain is AV by 1 minus beta AV. And for the negative feedback, AVF. AVF means feedback voltage gain. So AV divided by 1 plus AV. Next. So in negative feedback, the output and input are in out of phase. Already we know about this point. Next, coming to the negative feedback amplifier, advantages of negative feedback amplifiers. It's having increased stability and it's having increased bandwidth. That means for the negative feedback amplifier, the bandwidth will be wider. Next, it's having less amplitude and harmonic distortion and less frequency and phase distortion, and it is having less noise, and input and output resistance can be modified as per the requirement. These are all the advantages of negative feedback amplifier. Next, disadvantage of negative feedback amplifier. In this, voltage gain will be decreases. This is the main drawback of a negative feedback amplifier, that is voltage gain is decreases. Next, coming to the types of negative feedback amplifiers. The types of negative feedback amplifiers are current series feedback amplifier, current shunt feedback amplifier, voltage series feedback amplifier and voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So what is mean by current series feedback amplifier? This is a circuit arrangement for current series feedback amplifier. This is the circuit arrangement for current series negative feedback amplifier. So what is mean by negative series? What is mean by current series negative feedback amplifier? So when the in this amplifier, when the part of the current output current, when the part of the output current is sampled and given to the feedback circuit, given to the feedback circuit, where the fraction of the current is converted into a proportional voltage and then given as an input signal. This is nothing but a current series negative feedback amplifier. Next, in current shunt negative feedback amplifier, as the feedback circuit is connected in series with the output, the output impedance is increased, and due to the parallel connection with the input impedance is decreases. So this is nothing but a current shunt negative feedback. Next, this is an voltage series feedback. In this, in the voltage series negative feedback amplifier, a fraction of the output voltage is applied in series with the input voltage through the feedback circuit. This is nothing but a voltage series feedback amplifier. Next, this is about this is an voltage shunt feedback, voltage shunt negative feedback amplifier. In the voltage shunt negative feedback amplifier circuit, a fraction of the output voltage is applied in parallel with the input voltage through the feedback network. This is an about voltage shunt feedback amplifier.